Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can select cryptocurrency pairs in poker option. So if you want to select the cryptocurrency pairs you wish to trade with on poker option, here is a quick step or easy guide on how to get it done. So first thing you have to do is open up your poker option app on your phone. Then you go to this option where you have the American Express OTC. Just tap on the drop button right in front of it. Then right here you have the list of the cryptocurrency pair that you can trade with, and this is for the stock. You can see this is stock, this is for stock, this is for commodity, this is for Bitcoin, which is the cryptocurrency, and this is for dollars. So if you want to trade with currencies, if you want to change with currency, if you want to trade with currencies, if you want to trade with bitcoins, if you want to trade with currencies, this is how you can select any of your choice. So I'm just going to tap on this one right now, which is the AUD CHF OTC. Go and tap on it, then you can see it has been changed, and that is how you can select your cryptocurrency pairs in poker option. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.